actually in a dust storm right now.
Get in there now. Oh, it smells so dirty.
Whoa, this is a trip. Give me one of those. Go get one of the girls that feel better.
Go give one of the girls?
Yeah, just get one of the girls.
Here, girls.
Put your face mask on. Dang it, I can't get none of this. I have this on. It's like 7:45 right now. It's 7:45. Get in the house. Get in the house. Get in the house. Get in the house. Get in the fucking house.
You just stay by the door.
Holy moly. You're not going to get
back
there. You're not going to do this, are you?
What?
You're not going to help me out here with this. Like, give me some video.
I'd like to watch too.
You don't think it's bad for him? Okay, bring him out.
Come over here.
I guess I'm just freaking out.
Gate.
No, everybody stay right here, because you're underneath the awning. Stay right by the door so I can get you inside.
Get over here, Summer.
Look, it's going away. This is bad. I think we see the sky coming back over here. See the color coming back? It's only 7:45, right?
Yeah.
Didn't you put a mask on?
There's only 2 more in there.
You want mine here?
No, I'm fine with my shirt.
Daddy, we're just kind of scared.
I know, but you're witnessing the power of nature.
Daddy, why is Dad,
It's a dust storm.
Dad, what are these masks for?
Keep the dust out of our lungs. Breathe through those. No, put that on.
That's a raincoat.
I know, baby.
Daddy, that's a raincoat.
I know.
We need to keep our eyes so any rain catches in our eyes.
Okay. I think I see the. Whoa! Right now, we should hopefully be able to see right now on video once this passes. If it passes and we don't die, or that this should turn blue again and bright. Because we are right now, it's an hour from sunset.
No, the sun is going down right now, Brian. The sun went down last night.
This is cool.
What the heck is happening? It is a big dust storm. Yeah. Dad, let's get outside and get a photo of it.
Put your hand back in here, please.
What?
Because we're staying inside here. Here it comes. Here it comes. It's passing. I should have just stayed on the palm trees. Man, I missed it when it was coming in. It was so cool. The way it came in, Mom, and you were like, oh, it's just, Mom, it looked like a wall of fire.
Storm's coming through.
Where'd they go?
They're looking out the other window.
You seeing it leave?
Yeah.
See, look at over here. Look at blue skies.
Dad! Dad, can we go outside and see?
Yeah, I want to. Let's go out here.
Okay, this is my bathroom.
You don't have no shoes on. Be careful.
Wait, stay over here with me. I don't want no cars wrecking on the front lawn. Come here. Give me a hand. Come on back. It's not over yet. Yeah, it's picked up right there for a second, didn't it?
The newspaper got it said there was going to be a frog storm.
Yeah, what about their eyes though, man? My eyes are starting to feel it. Okay, girls, why don't you get in?
Look, you can't even barely see the palm trees over there now. The ones on the next street down there.
I totally missed it. Missed the mark, man. I couldn't believe I couldn't get the video camera. But it's cool. We saw it.
It is so dry.
Wow, that was so weird.
It is so dry.
I wonder if we're gonna see the thing leave.
Were you still here the year that big wall came in from the west? Do you remember that? The big wall of dust that came in from the west?
This was just like
It
it.
was Brian, no, it was nothing compared. This was nothing compared to that. It was a mile in the sky.
Lisa, you have no idea what.
You saw that sucker coming from the horizon, and it just kept coming at you, and you couldn't come outside for nothing for the stuff you were getting hit with.
I'm ready to come outside.
Come on, get in here. What has she got on her alien gear?
Oh, boo, not you though. Come here. No. Nobody's up there yet. It's too windy. Summer. Underneath this awning. Come on. See the wind picking up? Those. Look at there come the branches.
Yeah, you guys get under here. I don't want some branches.
Matter of fact, get back in there. Come on. We can look over here from our awning. Come on. I'll close that. Go inside now, boo. Your eyes. Your mom. Her eyes. You need to check her eyes too. Oh, I can't believe I missed it. This came in from like an hour before sunset. And it was like a wall, man. God, I'm hoping we see it leave. I better get my safety glasses. Dang it. Get my glasses. Right there. No, because it's starting to hurt her eyes. It's hurting my eyes. It's almost over. No. Sorry. No. We'll go find something then. Gotta hear the gate click. You know what? It's like it's not ending. And I wonder, did you see the news yet? Get in there.
Palm leaf.
Just punctured her.
Get in here. I can see it flying in.
The girls are pissed. Wow, those gotta be. That's gotta be 50, 60 mile an hour wind. Wow. Put these on, Autumn. Other way.
Can we get out the gate?
No, we're not going out of the gate.
Why?
Summer rain. Do you want to go back inside the house?
Everything's slow.
I can keep an eye on you two. What if a big old wind comes up and throws or pulls little Miss 35 pounder here off? 30 pounder.
Will the full air come in with it though?
You see this? I'm just dying to see the sun come back. Hopefully
The
we.
sun's not gonna come back now.
What time is it?
It's almost 8 o'clock. Sun's gone.
8:30. No.
Right, it was 7:30, 7:45 last night when the sun started going down.
Let me see the
You digging the storm?
What? Dad, where that time's coming from?
It's coming from the south.
What?
Came from the south. It came
Oh,
from.
it sure did. It came straight south, didn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, what I thought was weird is the fact that our lights tripped
Huh?
right before it happened.
The lights are out. Guys.
Look at the dirt. Oh, the dirt is all over your car.
I know.
Truck.
I noticed it.
What happened to my own guy? The light? Daddy, you got a mask on? Yeah. Oh, you do. Daddy, I'm just afraid. Dad! Oh, God.
Told you to keep your glasses on.
What? Does anybody got a snowman? Yes? Did you guys hear that? A snowman car? Yeah? These are yellow. I got my safeties on.
Yeah, no, you put that mask back on or you're going in. Man, you know what? Valley fever, dust, right? Am I wrong? Look at it. See it getting blue again?
I'm taking it out the tree! Yeah! Yeah, where's Dylan? I'm talking about the feet! Where's Dylan, Dad?
All I know is I bet you $10 we're going to hear that this thing was like 1 5-mile cloud or something. Because the speed that cloud went by, it's still coming. Or it's dying down like right here. But it's still dark like right there. You can see it redder over there.
I knew it was there till the side.
Summer, don't stay up in here, please.
I bet $2 that those are gonna hit us.
Come on, I don't want to bet you $2. I'd rather give you the $2. Come on.
So we're still on top. So Dad, why do we need these masks?
Because we don't want to get. Hey, put it back on. It's just to keep the dust out of our lungs. Keep us from getting sick. Poor Mom didn't get a mask. Wow, every time I think it's done.
It's just again.
You can totally see the sky come back, right? Tell me you can, people.
Brian,
What?
what?
He's worried about the storm right now more than anybody. I'm surprised he's even. Hey, hey, hey. Stay there. Here, get over here. Get inside. It's starting to pick up again. I'm worried about you too. I don't feel stupid. No, 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 no. Get out. I've seen this before. Get out. Come on. The wind gets caught in that thing and throws that thing out somehow. Yeah, you sit right there. Got it. Sit on the door jamb.
Carry it right up through the awning.
You guys are nicely protected underneath here. Autumn, get out of there. You went back to the same spot I didn't want you. Come on. Move. Ooh, power pole. Come on. Well, we're not going to get much more. Man, I so wanted this to be cool for people to watch. That's still a cool storm. Just still appears dark. Man, it hit like the right time to make it seem like it's just, you know what I mean?
Right.
Teresa, you saw that wall, right?
Yes.
It was like a big old dark brown wall just came in from this way and just shoom. It took the blue skies away and just... Maybe there wasn't that much left in the day, but God, it was still bright. Okay. Now it's done. There it comes again. Nothing's going on now.
I'm keeping this mask on. Me too.
I would.
Why is this up there with you? Okay, get up here, baby.
No, 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 no. You don't both need to get up there.
Yeah. What's doing here? I am never gonna forget this. What?
Yeah, we wouldn't have forgot it if Daddy would have caught it in time, but oh well. Okay, come on, back in.
Okay.
It's picking up again. See that? Wow, and over there, man, it's like really weird. Those palm trees over there, look how much they're blowing. Get down. Man, you're just dangerous. Okay, time to go in. Come on, let's go. Time to go in. Let's go. It's 8 o'clock, you know. Wow.
Somebody took over the remote for the living room.
Let's take these off. Let's take these off. No, why?
It just hit really
No,
hard.
let me just keep these off.
You guys can stay right here at the front door. No, we probably don't want this door open, do we?
Let's take these off, Dad. We gotta stay, see what happens.
Okay, hold on. Let me unlock this thing. Wow, look at the dust on it.
The destruction they can do is just intense.